Good evening, Professor King, and I'm here to show you how to use my converter. Right now I'm showing you the my directory for my converter at the moment, and it contains the converter.exe, is all the files as well as our three models that we are converting, which happen to be Astro Boy, Space Frigate, and Warbear. To actually use this system, all you need is that converter.exe, which you can either use the supplied one that I've got here, or you can run the program itself once and just move the exe into this directory. But for sake of this demonstration, we'll just use this converter.exe that I got right here. From there, all you need is this converter or batch file that I have down here. And if you go in and edit it, you'll notice that it takes two command line arguments as well as a third option. The first argument is the FBX file that we want to convert. The second argument is the output file we want to want the system to output our runtime format to, and the third argument is a text file that contains everything you could possibly want to know about the model. Now, as far as how the system works, it basically has two paths that the converter uses. Ideally, we would like to have the model have its data listed on a per vertex basis, and if it does do that, it just goes per vertex and grabs the vertex information, the normal information, UV information, and then the triangle indices that define each triangle. However, there are some models that list their information on a per polygon basis, and my converter can't handle that. And what it ends up doing is just going from polygon to polygon and pulling each vertex on that polygon. Unfortunately, that does lead to a lot of duplicate vertices in the output file. Eventually, I would like to get around to trimming that off. I just haven't gotten around to doing that yet. That's probably going to be a project for the summer. Then from there, once all that information is grabbed, I basically just reorganize it from the vectors that end up grabbing the data. Basically, I just make an array of structures that contains my runtime format. Then I just throw all the data I just pulled into this array of structures, and then from there I just load up a header, and then load it all up into an output file. First the header, then my runtime format, and then from there I also pull in the texture itself and load it up to my VBO as well. So once all that's done, you just need to click on this batch file here, and you'll see that we'll fire off 3 VBOs, which are going to be right here. Now if we copy these guys and then go into my graphics directory for my engine and paste them over here, you'll see that we got the VBOs here, and that we don't have any textures whatsoever associated with Astro Boy, Space Frigate, or Warbear. The ones that I do have here are all for the models that I was using last quarter. Now once those VBOs are here, we just need to load up my engine here, fire her off, and then press F6, and we've got 3 spinning models. Well, that is my converter in a nutshell, and you have a good evening.